So I really would like plumper lips, but I'm afraid of needles. So I'm always kind of looking for tips and tricks, ways to make them look a little more plump and healthy. Um, Not robbed of their volume by age. So I came across this little kit at Target. It's the Yes to Coconut Hydrate and Restore two-step lip kit. And I'm gonna give it a try. I don't think it's going to change my life, but if it could even give me like a few hours of a plumper look, I'd take it. Um, it starts with a little scrub and then there's a mask. Now I'm hoping this is a picture of the mask. I don't know, those are some big lips. They kind of scare me a little bit. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna take some before pictures and maybe one with whatever this mask looks like. If it looks like that, oh yeah, I'm taking a picture. So let's see if it works. Fingers crossed. I hope I look like Kylie Jenner. And here is what the lip scrub looks like. It feels, you can feel the sugar in it. Kind of gritty. Okay, I kind of can't believe this, but this is the lip mask. I have to take a picture. It says if it's tingling, it's working. I'm a little scared. So the mask is off, and I really think that it helped. I would do it again. The scrub was easy to use, and it tasted like sugar because it's on your lips. You can't help but taste it. I have some of that left over. I do feel like that made my lips feel really soft. And the main thing that I noticed is my lip lines. When I was applying lip liner, my lip lines are puffed out. So that helps when you're trying to apply lip liner. When your wrinkles are puffed out, then the liner can't like look jagged or travel up into the lines. So I've got to give this mask a thumbs up. The Yes to Coconut's two-step lip kit, I give it a thumbs up. I would do it again, even though I did feel ridiculous. I will say my lips still feel tingly and almost feel like they're growing right here on camera, which I'd be okay with. But I give it a thumbs up. I say for the price, even if I get a few hours out of it, I'm good.